everybody. Gonna get this out of the way, into the Discord, and gonna hit the gym. Jam-packed day ahead. Got some potties, sir. And then get stuck into it.
Eddie.
Wow.
Guys, what happened last night? Not much happened last night, eh? Bank holiday?
Not a lot at all.
Just some consolidation.
Yeah. Bit of scalping.
True.
Not a lot happened at all. Pretty much sticking with the same biases scenarios as yesterday.
Yeah.
I guess we'll just see what volume comes into the market during Asia and just keep the Discord updated.
He's a natural on camera. Just at the gym now, back at Ashmore Gym. Got the blast out of a back workout. We got some bento rows coming up. Should be a pretty good session. In between that session, I'm about to go outside and buy a PS5. So just waiting for that. Just for the new place, which will be coming in one of the upcoming day in our lives. So it's going to be pretty good. But yeah, good session with the boys today. Hopefully run the boys through a bit of pain. Let's go. Get your PS5. What'd you get?
Just a PS5 and then like 2 games, 2 controllers.
Oh.
Yeah, just for the kids. Keep them busy, eh?
So is it just me? Or is everyone in the Gold Coast super tricky? Companies developing the eating disorder while I'm here. And then we got old Fisher Harris over here. Making it look like light work. Let's go, Cass.
Me doing a session with 3A, we get that extra rest. Nah, solid though, mean.
Full stacking on the bicep kills.
What is that? Challenge is sick. Such a heretic. Continue.
What's doing? Get some kai.
Some kai,
Oh,
maybe a coffee,
yeah, man.
jam some of these potties.
Fuck. Can't wait for you guys to see the intro by Fisher Harris. It's Hardy's PS5. What do you jam, cuz? Any good at FIFA or 2K?
No, I've been playing PlayStation ages just because I play on PC.
True.
But keen to get. I used to play back in the day boxing and topspin, the tennis.
Yeah.
Me and Hoops.
True.
You're a freak.
Were you a 2-button man on Tekken?
Yeah, Eddie Kuro. Eddie Kuro. The bro's just doing flares all over the ground.
Yeah. If you guys don't know,
Honestly,
Hardy used to stream Fortnite back in the day. So if you guys want to see that, drop a comment below.
pumping. Yeah. JP 225, currently on that push. Got that volume coming into the market open. Came back down to a point of interest, and now it's going back up again.
Missed it while we're at the gym, but we'll drop down to the one, see if there's any points of interest that it might pull back to for us to then look for a trade. JP225 is probably one of those pairs that are sort of underrated. It moves real nice, pretty slow, but moves really, really nice with structure. So
Good Asian pair, eh?
good Asian pair, bro.
Yeah.
Good Asian pair. Gold's currently on that move down, getting that market structure moving down as well. Created that lower low, pulling back up to point of interest, so we'll have a look on lower time frame, see if we can catch anything with that.
Slow open for gold today, eh?
Yeah,
Especially after the bank holiday.
it's actually taking liquidity below that 5-minute support area, pulling back up. So there's a 5-minute point of interest at 2898 on the CFD chart. Set an alert there and see what comes of it. Probably about half an hour away from that. So have a look at that after breakfast. And yeah, that is your morning update.
You got eyes on anything, Gus? You just went for alerts?
Just waiting for it, cuz.
We're just waiting for a feed.
Honestly, I'm angry, cuz. Talk to me half.
Jordan was just telling me yesterday, bro. Bro was fading this way, I was smashing the ghost cookies.
Oh, actually. Got it though, eh? Like, especially with the bodies, bro. Like you're sitting there for so long and you just don't think about it. Like realistically, we're sitting there for like 2 hours now, not eating. It's like when you go sit in for a tattoo, eh? You take like sugary snacks. No, I don't. Is that something that you should do? Is it? Hey, is it?
Yeah, that's what they say.
What? Yeah.
Latte? Yeah, that's me.
Should be. Yeah.
You lactose, cuz? Huh? I mean, you lactose intolerant.
Give me some dairy and I'll find out. Done.
No, yeah, they reckon like for when you go up to big cities, like take a chocolate bar in or something just to otherwise as soon as you start feeling tired you really feel the pain.
Oh, makes sense.
I was feeling it when I was getting this.
Not the bro walking around like this, eh? Yeah, on all the tables.
What's that
What a view though. Fuck, you guys are got the spot, cuz. Living the dream. Just gonna crack on with some breakfast and then if we get some alerts we'll keep you guys updated. Nah, Aussie bro. Aussie's different, eh?
That's what they call a garbage chicken.
A garbage chicken.
A garbage chicken. They just go around like stealing food, eating shit off the ground.
What the? It's like Jurassic Park, cuz.
The scavengers survive, eh?
Oh. What'd you get in, cuz?
Yeah, so breakfast got into a gold buy. We've seen that it came down. We're actually looking for a continuation sell. On the 1 minute and the 5 minute, we were creating that body closure below certain levels for us to be looking at it. And then a 15-minute candle just worked down and then closed above and continued to go up. So from that point, just look for a 1 minute entry after price taking liquidity at the bottom there. And at the moment, gold's just absolutely pumping up. As you can see over there, if you zoom in there, and so we're on that push. Not in anymore. It's gone above those highs. That was my take profit. But good trade. One of the entries that we like to get into. One of the entries that we teach ambitious investing as well. After liquidity, just looking for price to push. But we've got an area up the top there that price could be pushing to later on during Asian session, and then London and New York. We might see if we can catch a sell off that area. So yeah, see how it goes while we're doing these potties, and then reassess and hopefully get into some more. What's going on? Just finished our second potty for the day. I can't wait to see these. These are going to be me once they come out on YouTube. About to get into our third one before we jump into our mentoring session with the team. Just going to have a quick look at gold up here, because whilst we're at lunch, did we put that? Were we talking about getting into that gold? No, we weren't. It was like after, Anyway, while we're at dinner / brunch, whatever you're going to call it, what we've seen down here is this happening. And so we're at lunch, breakfast down there. What we've seen is this level here get taken, but we also seen closure below. So there's closure below on the 5, closure below on the 1 minute as well down here. However, if we have a look, there wasn't closure below on our 15. Okay, so our 15 ended up closing above here, which is what we call a liquidity grab. Liquidity grab below this area, and also came down into this 5-minute point of interest down here. So after that, what we sort of want to see is price developing higher highs, higher lows, because it doesn't yet want to come down. And in our analysis that we sent out in Discord, up here was the area that was sort of targeting. So this is what we had drawn up analysis wise for our Discord, for all of our team that jump into our education platform. They get all of our analysis every single day. So this is what we had drawn up. So we wanted to see price push from here up into this point of interest, and then potentially targeting these lows down here. So what we're looking at now is to see what price is going to do off this area. So we've got this massive push up, which we all got in, made some money. Now we're waiting for price to sort of set up within this, see what we're going to do, if it's going to continue going up or start to come down for London session. Yeah, but that's about it. Easy trade, easy. I think I got like a 1 to 3.
Nice.
What did you get?
I got in, so like it came up here, came down, and then we closed above this candle over here. So I got in around here, and then
That point of interest.
yeah,
Nice.
and then I think I got out somewhere around here while we're just before the potty.
Damn, bro, what is that? It must be like a 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Jeez.
Yes, sir.
I mean, not bad. It's not
bad.
1 to 1s, but yeah, simple key strategy. If you know what you're looking at, you know how you're going to be able to make money within the market. That's what we do every day. Say true to love, baby.
Yeah, we just finished our third potty for the day. Pretty tapped out, But it's good to get like an insight into the boys' journey and like diving deeper into like other stuff. Like I'm excited for you guys to hear like one of the podcasts we're gonna release, because we dive deep into like Hadi's history and like where he's come from, and it's pretty inspiring. Like he told me this story a while ago and he just shared it on the podcast, and Jordan just heard it for the first time.
First time. Me, no.
Yeah.
Conspiracy.
Yeah. And then even Jordan's like sharing some stuff, so yeah, can't wait for you guys to watch.
We're human, bro.
That's it, Facts though, bro. Hadi's, what do you got on, cuz?
I'm just about to jump into the mentorship at the moment. So this is just a group of people that want to take it to the next level. This is, when people want the one-on-ones, that's what we're going to be doing with them. So we're just doing a group call at the moment, going over what are we doing, how to build your trade plan. And so just going to get the lads doing that, and then jump into London session at 6.
Nice.
Play the whole risk management and psychology side of things as well. So to be a profitable trader, the 3 things that we need is 1, your edge. So that's learning a strategy, and learning what is a trading plan. So that's what you want to be looking for when you want to be trading, what R&R you're looking for, whether that's going to be 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, whatever it's going to be, how much you're going to be risking, and whether or not that's going to be a fixed risk management plan or a dynamic risk management plan. So we'll get into that during the session. If you have any questions, please let me know. It is going to be, you know, some information that you guys won't see on the education platform as well. And so I want to make sure that you guys are understanding it, because when you go through and create your trading plan, we have to go into as much detail as we can, just so that you can have that mindset of going into building yourself as a trader that you want to be. All right, I know it sounds a little bit cheesy, but it is what it is, bro. We got to get there. Well, I just finished our mentorship group call with the lads. We just went through creating a trading plan, what that sort of looks like. Sort of just explaining to the lads that to be a profitable trader consistently, that you need, one, your edge, two, your trade plan, and a very solid risk management plan. Sort of just trying to create that so that we can keep as much emotions out of trading as we can. But those are the sorts of calls that we have within our mentorship. Now we're just going to get into London session, and our session with the mentorship group went over, and we're just missing out on this gold trade here. So we're just going to try and see whether or not we can find a re-entry, or see whether or not it's going to come down into here, higher time frame. But yeah, fingers crossed we can get into another trade for our team. Let's go. At the moment, our trading range, working range, is this. And so we could be trading it down to these levels below, potentially to this point of interest here on the 5. But also we do have that little bit of imbalance below as well, which we have a alert set up for price to potentially be coming back to that. So yeah, we're going to watch this lower time frame, see whether we can catch a trade during our London session, and hopefully walk away with some money before we get in, because we've only had internal 1 and internal 5 changes occur. On our 15-minute candles, we're getting a lot of rejection from the bottom down here with a lot of wicks here. So let's not FOMO into anything and see what market structure sets up for us.
So fam, Potty just finished London call, and now we're gonna go relax a little bit before NY and go watch a movie. We're about to go, what are we watching, guys?
Captain America, the new Captain America. Didn't even know it was out, but it should be pretty good.
Any Marvel fans out there? Who's the go-to superhero? Who do you rate this?
Superhero?
Yeah.
Marvels?
Thor. That's your guy, eh?
Actual.
Oh,
Animal.
where would I go? Marvel. Like an Iron Man, eh?
Iron Man?
Yeah, that's it, guys.
That's a hard one to go against.
Just looks like a movie theater. Oh, and there's the bro. The bro's probably already a couple bevies deep. How many bevies already had? Did you get into any trades, guys?
Yeah, right.
What'd you get?
I got into gold bikes off that value
Yeah.
area. Oh.
That guy knows.
Just a 1 for 3.
Nice, shit. Beauty.
Straight down into that 5, I think it was.
Yeah, just below the 5, eh? Yeah. Hey, if you want to catch money, join the EP. Was that Lazy Boys?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Boss a shout. Nice. Let's see how far we can milk this. Hey, yeah. Like, I'm feeling pretty hungry too, eh? Don't mind if I do. Swifties. Any Coke Zeros. Oh, guess we're going full sugar today. Hey.
I'm having water.
Oh, there's diet. Oh, no diet. Oh, I guess we're going full sugar. What do you guys think of that?
A little bit boring, like, because it's so long, but
The end was the best. It's the only part of proper action in the race.
yeah. I didn't see the Red Hulk one.
Oh, spoiler alert. Yeah, I didn't see that coming too. I was like, wow.
When he was like having like his little anger episodes and stuff.
Wow, yeah, I was like, but how many could there be though? Hey, like they're just making them everywhere now.
Oh, you're just making superheroes.
Yeah.
Even when they were mentioning the gamma radiation.
Oh, some gamma radiation.
Gamma who?
Out of 10?
I'll give it a 7, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. Like a yeah. I'd give that just download it online and watch it at home. Yeah. Sitting there watching the movie and I turned around and the boys are on their phones looking at charts.
But that was so funny. Seen this guy, and like before that I was looking at my charts and I looked over and I thought you were asleep. We're home with some dollars now. Yes, sir. Sweet.
See, Kaz, I'll see you online.
What's going on? We're currently in our New York session, 11:28 at the moment. Just expanding on what we're looking at for our London session. Price ended up coming up and just continuing to go higher, not getting that retracement down, which is what we were sort of hoping for. This is where we were sort of trading within London. Price came up, sort of just waffled around within this 5 minute, came back down, and then from this point just ended up pushing up. After that, what we sort of seen happen was a breaker structure here. So getting that breaker structure and then figuring out where price was going to come back to for us to be looking to get into a buy. If we drop down to the 1 minute, we can see a very nice point of interest here. Entered in there, stop loss below this point of interest here, and price is currently going. Our target is this point of interest, which is what we've been waiting for. And pretty much all day, like that was just within our analysis. When the volume's coming in, which is now New York session, it just gives us opportunities to be finding trades. So took the opportunity on that one. Currently in a winning trade at the moment, and hopefully we see it pushing up to that price. But same thing, repetitive strategy. Created that high, created that breaker structure, pulled back to an area of where we think price could push up, and just took the risk, took the chance.
What are you floating at the moment?
At the moment, that's 1 to 4. 1 to 4 trade. All we're trying to do is anywhere between 2 to 5% a day. Still happy if it's only going to be 2%, but we'll see if we can push up to this area here and see how we go.
Yo, what's up, fam? Pretty late at the moment. We've just been up working, doing some edits, going through footage, and clipping some content. Huddy decided to wait for NYSE and got into a couple nice trades on US 30 and Nasdaq, and he got quite a few pips. But I was pretty much done for the day and got my trades in throughout London and Asia. So just sticking to my plan still. But yeah, big shift today. Tomorrow we're also shooting a couple more potties and getting the keys to Huddy's new spot down in Hope Island. So that's going to be exciting, and I think we're also going to go jam a little Top Golf. So that's going to be on the next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, chuck on that notification bell, and we will catch you guys in the next one.
Trading highs on what a ride, from doubt and fear to joy inside. With every lesson learned I grew, ambitious investing pulled me through. One night I made